As AI continues to advance at an astonishing pace, it inevitably influences various aspects of our lives, including our friendships. With AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants becoming increasingly sophisticated, we are faced with the question, can AI truly be a real friend? Artificial intelligence friendships based on personal needs are perhaps a spontaneous solution to fill the gap in the social lives of people living in the age of technology. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants offer companionship, engagement, and even personalized responses. They can listen attentively, engage in conversations, and provide assistance. Some individuals find solace and connection in these AI companions, appreciating their availability and non-judgmental nature. However, it is important to acknowledge the limitations of AI friendships. AI lacks consciousness, emotions, and the capacity for deep empathy that characterizes human friendships. While AI can simulate understanding and provide support, it does not possess the complex range of emotions and shared experiences that form the foundation of real friendships. Yes, the complex range of emotions. Isn't it actually these complexities that shape our lives, that make us who we are? What happens in our lives if we lose this? It's still a mystery. Human friendships involve shared experiences, mutual trust, emotional depth, and reciprocity. Real friendships are built on a foundation of trust, vulnerability, and the ability to truly understand and connect with another person's emotions and experiences. Looking ahead, the future holds intriguing possibilities. As AI technology evolves, we may witness advancements that enable more sophisticated AI interactions and potentially deeper connections. However, ethical considerations such as privacy, consent, and the potential impact on human relationships must be carefully addressed as we navigate this evolving landscape. However, since this friendship can be personalized according to the needs of the user, it will increase the likelihood that people who make long-term friendships with AI will experience difficulties in their real-life relationships. So, while AI has the potential to enhance certain aspects of our social lives and offer companionship, it cannot replace the profound connections we experience with fellow humans. As we embrace the advancements of AI, let's remember to cherish and nurture our genuine human friendships, rooted in shared experiences, emotions, and the beauty of human connection. But it shows that the artificial nature of the chatbots changes the concept of friendship in many ways, such as allowing for a more personalized friendship based on the user's needs. So, can we actually befriend with artificial intelligence chatbots in the future? What do you think?